Hey guys, as we all know that Oppo has launched its Reno11 Pro. Let's see if it's very different from Oppo Reno10 Pro or just with minor differences. Price wise, of course, Reno11 Pro is little higher than the Reno10 Pro, but not much. Reno11 Pro is priced around 39,999, whereas 10 Pro is just 37,990, depends upon the dealer. Check out our website for the discounted price on these products. Even the battery capacities are also exactly similar. Maybe they could have increased it to some extent. I mean from 4600 mAh to 5000 mAh. Also that there is no much difference in the storage and RAM capacities. Both has 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. One great feature that Reno11 Pro has got is water resistance, which the Reno10 Pro doesn't have, and I think Reno11 Pro is better in this feature. Of course, Oppo has won tons of people's heart for its camera quality. Both these variants has got similar camera qualities of 50 megapixel and 32 megapixel along with amazing telephoto zoom capabilities. Reno11 Pro has got bit more fast charging capacity than 10 Pro. Reno11 Pro has got some special support like dual micro speaker, dual microphone and noise cancellation, which is not found in Reno10 Pro. Apart from these features, the common features like fingerprint sensor, USB features, IR blaster are there in common in both of the models. Also watch our other video about the Reno10 Pro where its features are specifically mentioned. Do visit our website to buy or sell your mobile instantly. So that's that. Choose what is best in the market. For more such updates, follow Ovantica, where you can buy the best qualities of renewed mobiles and gadgets at one stop. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to stay connected with us.